Today I am going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channel by single Google account. First, goes to YouTube, then click on the profile for your channel, previous channel, then goes to YouTube Studio. After, on the left corner, setting, and select from setting, channel, from channel, advanced setting. From here, scroll down, other setting. From here, select manage YouTube accounts. The first one, this one. From here, select manage YouTube accounts. This one, this manage YouTube accounts. Then click here. From here, select add or remove your channel. The second one, this one, this. Select this one. Add or manage your channel. After this, click on here. Wait a few minutes to open. Then we get new window. That window says create a channel. Then click here. This is the space to write the channel name. For example, you says news channel. News channel. Null. From here, select this one and say creates. From here, say continue. First, sorry. First, enter your phone number. On this end is a country name around in this space. And continue. And you get text from your phone end. There is verified. And finally, it creates your YouTube accounts. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe. Until next, bye bye.